Hey everyone, my name is Tobias Siegel with Promolife. If you need ozone water in a hurry, this is one of the fastest ways to make it. All you need are 2 equal size syringes, a female-female Lorlock adapter, and distilled water. Fill up the first syringe with ozone gas halfway. The stronger the ozone gas, the better. Fill up the second syringe halfway with distilled water, and then use the attached female-to-female Lorlock adapter to lock together the 2 syringes like this. To start ozonating the water, plunge the syringes back and forth for 10 seconds. You now have good, strong ozonated water that you can use as a rinse for the mouth or the skin. I hope this ozone trick helps, especially if you need ozone water in a pinch.